Welcome to EDU World Space.
The problem says, consider the Lewis structure shown below. So here is the Lewis structure. Right. And it is asked that, does the Lewis structure depict a neutral molecule or an ion? If it is an ion, what is the charge on an ion? Right. And B, it is asked, what is the hybridization of is exhibited by each of the carbon atoms? Right. And are there multiple equivalent resonance structure for the species, right? And fourth one and the last one, it is asked, how many electrons are in the pi system of the species? So, right. So, for the first one, this Lewis structure depicts the ion. First of all, it is not neutral. It is, but it is the ion, right? So how is it possible? Let us see. Here is the charge. Let us write again. This is double bond O, and this is H. This is H. This is C. This is H. This is double bond C. This is H, and this is O. Right. So O has basically two lone pairs, right? But it has one more lone pair is present. That means there is a negative sign here, right? So this is basically it makes ion charge is equals to -1, right? So formal charge is given by what? Formal charge on oxygen, you can say, number of valence electrons minus ion electrons and minus bonding electrons by 2. So this becomes, number of valence electrons is nothing but this is 6, right? So number of valence electrons is 6 minus ion electrons is 6 again, and minus bonding electrons is nothing but this is 2. So this is 2 by 2. So this will give us 6 minus 7 equals to -1. So this is the final formal charge, right? So now for the second one, we can see the hybridization, right? So hybridization, let us write here, this is carbon 1, 2, and this is 3. So for carbon, you can see C1 is sp2 hybridized. Why? Because double bond is present, and similarly it will have C2 will have sp2, and again C3 will have also sp2, right? So now what is asked next it is asked that how many electrons are thirdly it is asked that are there multiple equivalent resonance structures for this species? Yes. Yes, resonance. So it is asked, yes, so we will write there are multiple equivalent resonance structures for the species. Because there is symmetry seen here, so it could be like this also. We can put this double bond with this also, right? So let us write how. Let us explain how. So this is C. How the resonance structure is possible. Resonance structure is possible in this way. C double bond O. This is H. This is C, and this is O minus, and this transfers here. This electron, right? And this you can say this is taken by this. You can say, and another way the resonance structure could be like this. C double bond O, C minus, and this is C double bond O. This is H, this is H, and this is H. Right? So there are two structures. Okay, so now lastly, it is asked how many electrons are in the pi system of the species. So how many electrons are there? So it is possible for the pi system, we will see here. So in the pi system, there are 4 electrons. Why? Because this is 1, this is 2. Covalent bond is nothing but sharing of electrons. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So there could be 4 electrons, right? So answer is 4 electrons. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.